Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MT Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a simple batch file on your computer. So this is going to be pretty straightforward, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to begin by opening up a notepad file. So head over to the start menu, type in notepad, open this up. This will apply for any newer version of Windows. Don't be concerned if I'm on Windows 10 here. And you basically just want to paste in whatever your command that you want to run later. Please take note that we have an echo off at the top and a pause at the end. Those are very important. And then you basically put everything else in the middle. Once you have it in here, you want to just go up to the top, left click on File, Save As. So left click on Save As. Name it whatever you want here. So just call it important file, and then you want to add a .bat at the end. Very important. So again, .bat at the end of whatever you choose to name the file. Save as type, make sure it's set to text documents, and encoding is set to ANSI. Left click on save once you've confirmed that your location is correct, so we want to save it to the desktop here. Going to left click on save. You can see our batch file has been created. Now if you want to run it, you're more than welcome to double click on it, or if you might need administrator permissions, you might want to right click on it instead, and then left click on run as administrator, and then you'll receive a user account control window, and then whatever batch you created should be able to run successfully. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.